अरे सुन रही हो, वो मेरा काला चश्मा कहाँ है? डार्क ग्लासेस।
ओ वीरे, अंकल का काला चश्मा गुम गया है। उठ जरा हेल्प कर ढूंढने में।
मैं क्यों मदद करूं?
आप अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ हमें चेयर करते हैं और आज मैं आपकी पूरी फैमिली से ही बात करने आया हूँ।
हर घर चुपचाप से ये कहता है, अच्छा लगता है जब सब कोई अंदर रहता है।
कम ऑन इंडिया, मास्क बनाओ और मास्क फोर्स का हिस्सा बन जाओ।
So guys, we're talking about filmmaking in lockdown. And filmmakers को तो कोई छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही. We've spoken to a lot of industry and they're talking about how घर बैठे भी remotely जो चीज nobody had thought could happen is actually happening. You're directing people remotely and churning out ad films जो हम सभी ने देखी.
चला मदत करा त्यांना. दोघं मिळून शोधा त्यांचा चष्मा. चला.
12 mega stars in the film. That would, the shoot would go on for 12 days at least because I can't be handling all of them together.
काला चश्मा अभी क्यों चाहिए आपको?
ये
So I thought a clever way of doing it would be that I not only storyboard the idea, but I make a rough film. So I shot a rough film on
With whom? Who was the
second. The whole film, I shot it as a rough in my own house. I played all the actors.
Wow. Okay, and that's the clip that you sent everyone saying this is the part you're going to play. Oh.
Yeah. So I sent a clip where everybody could see the whole film. They knew precisely that's the role it is. That is where I'm standing. This is how low the camera needs to be. That is where my eye line is, left of camera, right of camera. Everything is there in the frame.
जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए तरह तरह के टास्क फोर्स बनाए हैं,
उसी तरह हम 130 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों को भी अपने घरों में कोरोना वायरस के खिलाफ बनानी है एक मास्क फोर्स.
We told them, this is your line, but that's not all that you have to say. You have to react to what your previous cricketer said, and then you deliver your line, and then you react to sort of hand. It's like a relay race. They don't need to sort of do as many retakes, but discussing the technical specifications with regard to what is the eye line, where exactly the camera needs to be, what kind of background in your house would be interesting. Once we were done with Mask Force, we figured, oh, this is fabulous. The cricketers are so forthcoming. And they're sending us clips and we're approving it or saying कि यार एक और shoot करो थोड़ी और हंसी के साथ. You could be a little more endearing, you could be a little more sweeter, and they were more than happy to do it.
I listed out people who I know where their mothers are there with them.
My daughter and her father was saying, "Ayya, what is this?"
Only task is again how to meet them, because I can't shoot directly, and I really wanted to shoot when they talk live. So what I did is around 11:30 in the morning, I got into a call with each one of them, and then I introduced saying that this is the background of the story, and this is what we are trying to do. But I just want you guys to know each other. And so this is Jyoti, this is Leela, this is Maria Auntie. So I introduced and they spoke for 5-10 minutes. And 4:30 in the evening, I said, we will have a live call. In that live call, each one of us, whoever the son, son-in-law, mother, whoever, they keep shooting this live conversation in their own spaces. And before that, in fact, I was also checking what kind of compositions or what kind of corners they have. So then 4:30 call happened, and it was fantastic because they just started talking. And the thing is, they were not friends, and after this process, they are all friends now. They are all talking now every day.
Oh, nice to see you girls after a long time.
Did that live call that you recorded, was that once or how many times did that happen?
Impossible to make another retake because I was just keep on shooting and I kept on telling them keep shooting because after that I thought of actually having some close-ups, but some of them said, Varma, no chance. She's done with it. She has gone to the room and shut the door. She said, that's it. She don't want to face the camera anymore. So everything what you see is that one take which happened.
आखिर ये मेरा ही तो घर है. हर घर चुपचाप से ये कहता है, अच्छा लगता है जब सब कोई अंदर रहता है.
We see so many non-actors जो अब इन एड्स का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं. So people are asking their friends and relatives. तो आपके भी कोई जान पहचान के आए हैं एड्स में?
So आपने अगर देखा होगा तो जो एशियन पेंट्स में सेकंड फिल्म जो है, उसमें जो बाथरूम क्लीनिंग सीक्वेंस है वो बाथरूम में क्लीन कर रहा हूँ. जो एक सीक्वेंस जिसमें एक लड़की है वो शैंडलियर का बल्ब ठीक कर रही है, वो मेरी वाइफ है.
Okay.
The music for both the Asian Paints has been done by a 14-year-old boy called Brad Pagriwala. And so lots of home collaborations. The sequence which has mother and son cleaning a mirror, and that has been done by the chief creative officer of Ogilvy, that's Sukesh Nair. And the guy who's जो झाड़ू लगा रहा है, that is V.R. Rajesh, जो Ogilvy Bombay का head है.
Sort of realize that they're not often confident with doing exactly what you're trying to tell them, because a lot of people have this mental barrier कि acting करना है, पर वो acting करना है की statement के पीछे ना there comes so much baggage that people tend to freeze. So while we're getting videos from friends and families, from colleagues, what's happening is they're really nervous because they're like, nahi yaar, I don't think I can do this. Meaning both the films are made of sweet moments. Okay, so it's just about that one moment that you need from each clip. Okay, now getting that moment is always not as easy, especially when people say ki acting karna hai.
One thing that I hate about it is that I can't meet the people that I want to meet. Yeah. I don't have my team around me all the time. I don't have a director who I can collaborate face to face. I mean, we do collaborate on Zoom calls or on WhatsApp calls, etc. But we don't have a face-to-face interaction.
How many hours of phone calls and Zoom calls and meetings take place for this one ad to be approved?
So our ears are bleeding, to put it in a very, very short way.
And our phones are perpetually plugged into chargers.
Yeah, so really, but honestly, the only, way to sane way to do it is the way we do it normally, which is the creative team and the director do their job and then we send it to the client. There can be 50 people guiding the actor over there. So that the director does, but the way we would sit on a set and talk to the director, we form a WhatsApp group and we can see the take and then we immediately discuss it with the director. The director makes a voice note and sends it. In some cases, the director enacts it himself.
This last 2 months would change the way people think. It would change the stories. Okay, I think people will realize what all are really flippant stories. They're only surface stories.
True.
They're not going any deeper. And I think people will now start giving more weightage to relationships and what really matters in life. So it will no longer, or at least I hope, it is no longer going to be that the bike that just gets you the attention of women.
There are two sides to it. One is, literally it's opened up our minds also, even if we have been seasoned professionals who have worked for two decades. But never in our wildest imagination would we have imagined that films would be being done in this quick and this on-the-fly kind of a manner. I think what we are doing right now is with the full consciousness and the support and the consciousness of our clients that this is not the final finished product the way everybody would have aimed for, all of us collectively would have aimed for in ideal situations.
see, right now, whatever we are doing, it is looking great because we are giving it the concession that it is great under the circumstances. Okay? Now, if you take that concession away, there are no restraints, no holds barred. Now, what is it that you can create?
This quarter, if I talk money, how has this quarter been for the industry? And are you worried? Anything to be worried about?
No, meaning you know how this quarter has been. There is not a penny in the quarter. Okay, I think advertising, we are like a pilot. Okay, and the bigger worry than the pilot not having a job is that the airline itself is grounded right now. Okay, so the economy needs to take off, because if the economy doesn't take off, what are you going to advertise? To whom are you going to advertise? People have to first start buying things.